Today I'm going to share with you a beautiful Taiwanese braised chicken dish, 3 cups chicken. It's so full of flavor. You've got sweetness, savoriness, aromas from the basil, and that braised chicken just turns out nice and succulent. The reason why you're watching me like this is because one of our cameras, the files got corrupted, so I'm only left with all those tight shots. So I will be narrating you through what you are going to watch on the other side. Let's go. Now I start off with 4 whole chicken legs that I've cut up to 4 pieces each. 40 grams of thinly sliced ginger, about 6 cloves of garlic, and spring onions. Here I'm using about 4 to 5 stalks. If they're too thick, just slice them in half. 2 bird's eye chilli because we always need some heat. 1/4 cup of sesame oil goes into the clay pot. Heat that up and then add your aromatics in. Once your aromatic goes in, now this is where you take your time with it, alright? Don't rush it. Get the aromatics nice and fragrant before we add any of the chicken in. Once the chicken goes in, give it some time as well to sort of get some color. Now, 1/4 cup of soy sauce goes in and about a tablespoon of dark caramel. You can always add more if you feel you need the dark, richer color. Now, because I don't use wine in this channel, I've replaced the rice wine with kombucha, so 1/4 cup of kombucha as well. Once the kombucha goes in, give everything a good stir and cover it with the lid and allow that to just braise for 20 minutes or even half an hour, stirring occasionally so you don't burn the bottom. Once your chicken's nice and cooked, add in the basil, and that basil is just going to deliver so much of aroma to this dish. Season with a little bit of salt, and I add in about 2 tablespoons more of sesame oil just to give that beautiful sesame flavor. Finally, cut up some spring onions and toss it all around the top. I mean, have a look at that. Look at that sheen, that shine on the chicken. Nice, beautiful, sticky. You know this is a fantastic braised chicken dish. Well, you guys didn't get to see me eat this time around. That's only because that particular scene has been corrupted as well. Well, anyhow, I hope you still enjoyed this video, and leave me a comment in the comment section down below if you've enjoyed this video, you think it's added value to you, or even if it's something that you would try at home. Okay, until next week, I'll see you all. Ciao.